Come test drive the 2016 C-Max Energi. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, door courtesy lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.